In this video, I will show you how to get verified on Roblox. So let's jump straight into it. Now, to get verified on Roblox is a couple of requirements that you need to meet. So what I've done is pulled up this article and I will leave a link to this article in the video description down below. But as you can see, it says Roblox's verified badge helps users easily identify authentic accounts and give our notable community members and groups an extra mark of distinction. So what it basically does, it gives this cool little blue tick badge next to your name. So the verified badge is a visual indicator that allows users to easily identify notable and authentic creators, developers, groups, and off-platform figures. The badge indicates that Roblox has confirmed that the account authentically belongs to the user or group it represents, and that they meet our criteria for notability. Now, how do you actually get this badge? Well, if we actually scroll down slightly on this article, you can see it's quite a long article, there's quite a lot of information, but you can see the qualification requirements down here. So how do I qualify for a verified badge? Now, first of all, accounts need to be notable. So in other words, they need to be widely recognized in order to receive the badge. In order to be deemed notable, the following criteria must be met. So if you are a brand or a figure, such as a company, a celebrity, musician, politician, or so on and so forth, then the notability requirement is to have 100k plus followers on at least one major social media platform, whether that's like Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or YouTube, or alternatively 100k plus monthly listeners on Spotify. Or if you're just part of the Video Stars program, which you can find out more information about there, that is also a requirement. So if the type of account is an experienced developer, so for example, if you are an owner of an experience with playtime exceeding 1 million hours in the last 90 days, you would also be eligible for the badge. Or if you are a contributor to such an experience and have at least 10k legitimate followers on Roblox, so a legitimate follower is someone who appears to be a real user as opposed to a bot, then again, you're going to get this verification badge. You can also get this by being a creator of avatar items, so you or your group have at least 2 million Robux in revenue for the last 90 days with at least 200k items sold. Now, if you do meet the requirements for any of these, then what you can do is apply for the verified badge. To do this, Roblox first need to confirm that you are authentic, in other words, you are who you claim to be. So this requirement is met via an ID verification. Once you've verified your ID, as you can see, it says finally, we want to make sure that your accounts are secure and active, and this means that your account has authenticator enabled and has been active on our platform in the last 180 days. Now, just a note that if you do represent a brand and are working with the partnership team, additional requirements may be needed that will, of course, be communicated by the partnership team. So that's basically all the requirements that you need to meet to obtain the verified badge on Roblox. And as mentioned, I will leave a link to this article so you can have a look through all this information and find out how to get and if you are eligible for the verified badge on Roblox. So that is how to get verified on Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.